Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box that I bought from Colourpop. So I bought this about a week ago. I don't know if if they still have these mystery boxes on the website, but I do know that every now and then they will have these mystery boxes and you can buy them. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got and tell you guys ultimately whether or not I thought it was worth it. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I believe I paid $50 for this box. I think that's what it was. I don't remember like all the details of it, but I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna open it together. And this is gonna be my first impressions, so to say, of the box. So I'm pretty excited. I like mystery boxes. I don't know why, but I like them. It's the surprise, I guess. Ooh, what am I gonna get? All right. First thing I'm seeing in here is from Fourth Rate Beauty. And now I did expect that they would put stuff like skincare things in here because Fourth Rate Beauty is like a sister brand to Colourpop. So a lot of the times when they do mystery boxes, they'll have stuff from Fourth Rate as well as Colourpop. So this is the Later Hater blemish stickers, which is kind of cool. I do like blemish stickers because I do occasionally get, pimples and things. And it's always kind of nice to have like pimple strips or whatever they're called, like pimple patches. And they're like cute little shapes. That's cool. They're like little hearts and stars and, yeah, stars. So that's kind of cool. So let's see how many it comes with. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it comes with 4 little package things. So that's cool. I will definitely use these. So next up is a mascara, and this is the Level Up Lengthening Mascara. This is in the shade Black. That's cool. I have gotten one of their mascaras before, but not this one. So that's pretty neat. I do like mascaras, and I like that it's in a shade that I will definitely use. Because I don't know, if it was in like a weird shade, I might not use it, but that's pretty neat. Alright, I'm gonna probably get the skincare out of the way first, I think. Alright, so another product from Fourth Rate Beauty. This is the Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. And it says it's makeup friendly on the back, so I'm assuming you could use this as like a setting mist. I don't know. I hope so. Plastic packaging. It looks pretty nice. Cool. So I don't know. Would you consider this skincare or makeup product? I don't know. All right, and then I see a watermelon face polish from Fourth Rate Beauty. And this is definitely what I'm smelling. I thought I kept smelling watermelon. I hope it's not leaking. No, it doesn't look like it is. Oh, that's cool. Like you can actually see like the little seeds or something in there. I don't know, is it going to show you guys? See at the top there, you can see like those little black specks. Oh, I bet that's not the seeds. I bet that's the scrub. Sorry, I had a brain fart because it literally just says like face polish. So of course it's going to be like the exfoliating part. It's not actual seeds, Katie. Come on. I was just like, oh, the color. And then I saw the black and I was like, seeds. Anyways, that's pretty cool. I've never tried these products. So that's nice because I was kind of concerned that I'd get like, since I've bought previously a mystery box for them, I kind of wondered if I was going to get products that I've already gotten before. But so far, I have never received any of these products. So that's cool. All right, and the next up is from Fourth Rate is a So Radiant Brightening Eye Cream. That's cool. I didn't even know that they had eye creams. See, I really don't shop much from their Fourth Rate Beauty section, so this is cool. Nice yellow jar. It's very bright looking. And then it looks like I got 2 different lip scrubs, which these are actually from the Colourpop brand. So I wonder if it's just like supposed to put it on before you put like a lipstick on or something. But anyways, this is By the Bush and Coco Loco is what they're called. If I can get it open. It's a nice good size scrub there. Yeah, so they come in pretty similar packaging, just different colors, and I'm assuming because it's different flavors. This one you can barely see on camera. It's got like neon pink writing on it, but kind of curious as to what they smell like. But I'm not going to open them until I use them, so that's pretty cool though. Although I wish they hadn't given us 2 of them because, you know, but at least it was different flavors, not the same flavor. Alright, so I think that's all the skincare, so now moving on to the rest of the box, which is all makeup. So, first up is a Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Tassel, I think is what it is, and it's a Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter. Okay, so it's a glitter? I don't know, let me look at it. Anyways, here's what it looks like. It's white. I don't know how well my camera will pick it up, but let's do a swatch. I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch. Ooh, it feels really nice. Ooh, that feels so smooth. So I wouldn't say it's a glitter, but I think it has glitter in it, so maybe that's why they call it a glitter, because it does have glitter in it, but it's super shiny. I mean, you could probably almost use this as a highlighter. I probably won't, but that would be like a really good, this would be perfect. This would be perfect for inner corner highlights. Yeah, definitely. Which I may try. Let's see, do I have a brush? Let's try that. I'm gonna just see. Why not? Wasn't planning on trying any of this stuff out, but you know what? Here we are. I already kind of had an inner corner highlight, so, you know, maybe this is a fail. I feel like that did add to it, though. Yeah, that's really pretty. I will definitely be using this because I love these types of shades to like pop in my inner corners because I just love a good inner corner highlight on my eyes. I just think it really adds to the look. But yeah, that's really cool. I like that. And what's cool about these mystery boxes is though, yeah, I do spend money, you know, $50 is a lot, but at the same time, I usually get products that I would probably never just go out and buy. Like they have a lot of Super Shocks eyeshadows, but I'm just like, I don't need them, so I never buy them, but then when I have them, I do use them, so. Alright, so moving on, it looks like we have a little eyeshadow palette. So it looks like I got one of their press powder palettes, and it's, I guess, grape flavored, or grape colored schemed, I don't know, it's purples. But this is just one of their quads, so that's cool. And I don't know what line this is from. I can't keep up. Colourpop has so many launches, which is great, but I can't keep up with them. But anyways, it looks messy inside. Hope nothing's broken. Just cleaning up the edges. Anyways, here it is. That's cute. Definitely purpley. But I will definitely use this. And I do like their quads. So it's super cute. So there's one palette. And then we have another one. Another little quad palette in here. Which is definitely one I can for sure see myself using. Purples, I'm not sure how I feel about them. They're pretty, but I don't always like how they look on me. I don't know. Maybe I need to play around with them more. Because some... Okay, maybe it's purples that are okay with me. And maybe it's reds I don't like. One of the shades, like those darker, brighter kind of shades... They always make me look super sickly, and I think it's the reds. I think it's reds that I don't like, so purples are fine. But reds, for some reason, make me look sickly. Like, I don't know. I don't know why it does that. But anyways, so, got another little quad. This is like an orange flavored one, or, oh, it's mango, my bad. On the mango is what it's called. But anyways, this one I can definitely see myself using. I do like oranges. And this would be perfect for like summer or also fall, I think. But anyways, these look really nice. I really like the packaging. It's pretty nice, like thicker plastic. It feels pretty thick plastic. It feels kind of durable. So I really like this packaging. Because sometimes, I don't know, the cardboard packaging, it's pretty and stuff, but sometimes it just feels like if I drop this or anything, everything's just going to shatter on me. Like the eyeshadows wise. All right, and then I see a color stick, which I think is a lipstick. Ooh, that's not going to be a shade I'm going to like, though. So here's one of their color sticks, which I think is a lipstick, pretty sure. It's in the shade Coffee Shop, which is really... Is this... I don't know. Let me look at it, because... Is this a lipstick, or is it a liner? What are you? Coffee Shop, yeah, cream matte. So, yeah, definitely... It's a dark brown. I don't know. Should I swatch it? I'll do a light swatch. Yeah, that's just not going to be a shade that I'm going to use. So I'm going to probably pass this on to somebody else because dark browns, like, I don't like dark brown lipsticks. So it's not going to work for me. But it is, like, cool to have gotten a lip product from them. I just wish it was a different shade. But you know what? Can't always win on everything. But that's cool. And then I see another lip product. This is Fresh Kiss. It's a lip lacquer. I don't know what that means, but we will see. It's in the shade Sidecar. Ooh, now that I might wear. Like a dark red, maybe? I don't know. I do like reds, but it depends on how dark it is. Because honestly, I like more bright colors lately. At least for lip colors, I prefer like bright reds or nudes and pinks and things like that. But this does look nice. I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, never mind. I don't think that's going to work for me. It's like a very dark pink. I don't know. And I just said I like pinks. But this, I don't know. Maybe I'll have to try it on. Because first look at it, I'm like, I don't know. That seems, I don't know. I will have to try it on. I'm not sure about this. Because I like pinks, but I like more like light pinks, not necessarily like a dark pink. So I'm not sure about that one. It is really pretty. It's a pretty shade. It's just, I don't know if it's my type of shade. All right, 2 more products, and then that is everything. Next up is a brush, and I don't know if I have any brushes from Colourpop. Anyways, this is a flat kabuki brush. So that's cool. I didn't know that they had brushes, but I've never, like I said, I don't think I've ever tried one. It feels really soft. Unfortunately, I don't usually use foundation brushes to apply my foundation. I always use a sponge, but I could probably use this for something else, possibly. But it looks really nice, and it's got nice, soft, like, bristles. It looks like a pretty decent brush. Alright, and then last but not least is another palette. And I don't think I have this one in my collection. I will have to check. But this palette is one of their bigger palettes. And this palette is one of their 12-pan eyeshadow palettes. So this is Plush Like Me. And I don't believe I have this in my collection. But again, pretty sure. I'm 90% sure. Ooh, yeah, I definitely don't have this in my collection because I was like, maybe I do, but no, definitely not because I would remember this packaging. Wow, this is lovely. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's got like the velvet on there. Dang. How have I not seen this palette before? I don't know. Like I said, they have so many launches that, I'm bound to miss several of them. But dang, that is gorgeous just from the packaging alone. Wow. Curious what's inside. Alright, so it is kind of what I expected inside. It's kind of got more purpley shades to it, but you do have neutrals in there, so yeah. I'm going to have to definitely play around with this palette, but man, I can't get over the packaging. Like, this is really pretty. Wow. Yeah, I have to say, the color scheme's not like, I don't know, I'm not blown away by the look of it, but that packaging, I would hold on to it just for the packaging, which I know is not good, but I don't know, that's really pretty. That really attracts my eye. But yeah, I could see myself using this palette, though. There's neutrals, and it does have some pops of, the purples and things, but yeah, wow. And this is heavy. Like, this packaging is more solid than they're normally. Maybe they've changed up, maybe they stepped up their packaging game, because this has got some weight to it. Dang. Of course, it does have a mirror in it, so maybe that's why. Alright, so that's everything in the box. So let me count up how many items actually came in the box, because I don't remember. I don't think it said on the website. Maybe it did and I just overlooked it, but let me see. Let me count. Alright, so if I counted right, I got 14 products in the box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think I got about 6 non-makeup products, like skincare wise. I'm going to count the scrubbies as skincare just because it's not makeup in my book. And then, so I got 2 lip scrubs, and then I got the mist, which I guess could be, depending on what you consider it. Is it makeup? Is it not? I don't really consider it makeup, but that's just me. Then I got the face polish, then the eye cream, and then the pimple patches. So overall, I don't think that's bad. For skincare wise, I do wish that, I mean, although I believe it says on the website that you will get 4th-rate beauty products as well, I do wish it was just all makeup. But that's just a personal preference. Like, I always prefer more makeup over skincare. And honestly, what I did get, I'm not mad about, as in skincares. As skincare-wise, I will definitely use these blemish stickers, because I get blemishes. The face polish is actually really interesting, and I will definitely use that as well. I do like face polishes. It is interesting to get an eye cream. I didn't expect that. And then the lip scrubs is honestly probably my least favorite when it comes to skincare. I hardly ever use lip scrubs, but maybe I need to change that. Maybe I should use more lip scrubs. Maybe that's why they're a bit crusty sometimes. I don't know. I hardly ever. I would rather just put like chapstick or something on. But that's not bad to get. And the rest of the products, I got 3 palettes, or eyeshadow palettes, yeah. Even though these are really small, I would still consider this palettes. And then this one I'm really excited about. Like, it just looks really pretty. Even if I will probably for sure use it, but I love how this looks. Like, that is just so pretty. So I'm blown away by that. And then these are really cute, and I will definitely use them. And then we got a brush, which is nice. I don't think I've ever gotten a brush in a mystery box before, as in the last box I got from Colourpop. And then a mascara, which is really cool. And then I really like this, the Super Shock Shadow. This is definitely one I will use for sure. The shade is just right for me. If it was like a different color, I may not use it as much, but since this is like a perfect inner corner highlight, I will definitely be using this a lot, because sometimes some palettes don't have a good inner corner highlighter, so I will definitely put this in my vanity and use it as needed. And then the lip products. The lip products is the ones that I'm most kind of bummed about when it comes to the makeup side, and it's just more of a personal preference. This is just a shade that I know for sure I'm not going to use, and this one I'm not sure about. I like the look of it. The color's really pretty, and the formula seems nice, but I'm just not sure on the shade of it. I don't know if this is one that I'll reach for a lot, but we will see. Like I said, I'll try it out later, and maybe I'll like it. But yeah, so honestly, I'm pretty pleased with everything that I got. I think it was well worth the $50, at least for me personally. Like I said, I like mystery boxes because it kind of like I get things that I wouldn't normally go out and buy. I probably would have never picked these up on their own, to be completely honest, just because, I don't know, will it be something that I'd actually use? Like, that's the thought I would think when I'm in store looking at it. But now that I actually have it, I will definitely use them. Especially the palettes. But yeah, so overall, I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I think it was money well spent. But that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. And also, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought. Do you guys think that this box was worth it? Or would you have been unhappy if you'd gotten this box? Let me know down in the comments, because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!